Alright guys, so you guys, if you have not watched my video, the one I uploaded some hours ago, the live video I went, you guys can check it out. I I was doing a live analysis on my weekly analysis on this on five currency pairs. As you can see, this is gold and GBPUSD. Sorry, I love gold too much, and gold is too volatile for me, for my small account. As you can see, GBPUSD, I set a sell limit over here. This is a sniper sell limit, guys, because of this order block. And if you watch that, I explained why I am using this one because of the fair value gap here. So why I'm not using this other block, sorry, I'm not using this other block, but it is still the other block, it is still touching the other block, but I'm using this candle, this bearish candle, this first bearish candle that looks like a morning star, that form a morning star, but I'm not using the morning star as my bullish bearish confirmation or anything like that. But as you can see, there's a fair value gap there. It broke structure here, it broke this it changed it broke this high here, and then it came back to the trace, and then now it's coming back down. See, this might take profit over here, and then the trade is going pretty well. As you can see, this is a demo account, by the way. Please don't, I'm not trading my live account. I don't this trade is not open on my live account. This is a demo account, by the way. So yeah, that is all about this trade. If I wanted to open on my real account, it should be about 0.02 lot size, and you guys should check out the video I uploaded. I'm going to upload the video right now, and you guys check it out, because it is full of information. I have a free prop firm for you guys. You guys who want prop firm accounts, you want to register for a prop firm, I don't have the funds to buy the prop firm. There's a free challenge going on. Over 25,000 people have registered right now, so you have to be very good at trading. It's going to there's a July challenge starting July 1st. So if you are seeing this video right now, this is before July 1st. This should be about June 26th or 27th or 28th latest. That video is going to be uploaded tonight, this morning. It's just 12 a.m. It's going to be uploaded today, June 27th. I'm going to be uploading that video June 27th. And you guys, if you guys should see it, you guys should act fast before the challenge goes out. Okay, so that is all about this video. I'm going to be uploading this video right now, because I'm not going to be editing anything. I'm not going to be cutting nothing. I'm just going to come upload it on YouTube. And yeah, I think that's all. If you can even see me, I'm going to YouTube right now to upload this video. So if you guys want more content on forex like this, you guys should hit the subscribe button.